Hello folks, today I will be teaching you how to install hair extension, waft extension with braids. Just watch this video from the beginning to the end and you will learn something new. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome to. Yeah, I'm welcome to. Hey, yeah, welcome to Amazing Hair by Chizzy, where beauty comes alive. Every strand is treated with love, helping confidence thrive. Yeah, from classic styles to trendy looks, we'll make your dreams come true. Step into the chair today, let Chizzy work for you. Yeah, yeah. Hair wash and scalp detox, feel refreshed and new. Relax your hair, install a wig, there's nothing we can't do. Selling premium human hair, quality you can trust. When you leave Amazing Hair by Chizzy, compliments are a must. Amazing Hair by Chizzy, Chizzy brings out the beauty in you, making every hairstyle flawless, fresh and beautiful too. Step out the salon and shine everywhere you go. Let the streets talk about your hair, watch your confidence grow. Amazing Hair by Chizzy, where your beauty comes alive. Book your appointment now and let your gorgeous look arrive. Yeah, box braids, knotless braids, cornrows neat and fine. Got his braids and boho braids that truly make you shine. Thulani braids with stylish beads, beauty you can see. Pick and drop in custom braids designed perfectly. Dreadlocks, sister locks, crafted with great care. Every twist and every look shows passion everywhere. Need extensions? We got you covered. Luxury from root to end, creating stunning transformations that everybody recommends. Nano rings, micro rings, seamless and so sleek. Sewing, weaving, tapings, giving volume every week. Carrot and wax and 6D2 generation 2. Premium installations made especially for you. Amazing Hair by Chizzy, Chizzy brings out the beauty in you, making every hairstyle flawless, fresh and beautiful too. Step out the salon and shine everywhere you go. Let the streets talk about your hair, watch your confidence grow. Amazing Hair by Chizzy, where your beauty comes alive. Book your appointment now and let your gorgeous look arrive. Yeah, human hair wigs for sale, wig installations too. Amazing Hair by Chizzy has the perfect style for you. From Amazing Hair by Chizzy, yeah. From braids to locks, extensions to relaxing hair with care. You'll leave feeling beautiful, turning heads everywhere. Amazing Hair by Chizzy, Chizzy brings out the beauty in you. Step out, shine bright. Let the streets talk about your hair and watch your confidence grow.
This video is for my customers or the ladies out there who do not know how to remove their extensions. Sewn-in extensions are removed like this. Take your scissors, go in, cut only the thread. You see the thread? You just cut it like this. Try not to cut your cornrow. Try not to cut the braid, whatever you call it. So you just only cut the thread that was used, okay? So you continue cutting the thread until you are done, okay? So you continue cutting, but avoid cutting your own hair. Avoid that. So make sure you only cut the thread, not your hair. So now you are done removing it. The next step is to remove all these extra threads. Otherwise, you can also come to the back here and unlock this place.